Hey everyone, I'm Sky and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm pumped to talk about the Garmin Forerunner 165, a running smartwatch that's packed with features to boost your fitness game. If you're a runner or fitness enthusiast looking for an affordable, high-performing watch, you're gonna want to hear this. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. The Garmin Forerunner 165 has a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen that's super clear, even in bright sunlight. It tracks pace, distance, and heart rate with accurate GPS and wrist-based heart rate monitoring. You get personalized training plans through Garmin Coach, plus race-adaptive plans to prep for your next 5K or marathon. The morning report gives you sleep, recovery, and training insights to start your day right. With 25-plus activity profiles, it covers running, cycling, swimming, and more. The battery lasts up to 11 days in smartwatch mode or 19 hours with GPS, and it syncs with your phone for notifications and the Garmin Connect app for detailed stats. Now, the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The AMOLED display is bright and sharp, making it easy to read on the go. GPS and heart rate tracking are spot on, and the lightweight 39-gram design feels great all day. The battery life is fantastic, and the training tools, like suggested workouts, are perfect for runners of all levels. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like ECG or training readiness scores found in pricier models like the Forerunner 265. Some users report occasional GPS signal drops in dense areas, and it doesn't support triathlon mode, which might disappoint multi-sport athletes. Who's this for? If you're a runner, casual or serious, or want a reliable fitness tracker with great battery life and solid metrics, the Forerunner 165 is a stellar choice. It's ideal for those who want Garmin's core running features without breaking the bank. Ready to level up your runs? Click the link in the description to check out the Garmin Forerunner 165 at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing you don't want to miss. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.